Hello and welcome to this video on HTML tag. This is Joe, programmer, and in this tutorial we will be discussing the body and head tags which are essential for creating a web page. Let's start with the body tag. The body tag is the main content of an HTML document and contains all the visible elements of the web page, such as text, images, headers, and many other. So in our example, all what we've got here and what is visible in our page is the body of our page. So to make our HTML understand that this is our body, we just have to place all this in a body tag like this. We save, go back to our page, refresh, and you can see nothing changed. This is something normal. It is just to tell our page.html that this is the body of our page. So now what we want to do is to change this right here, the title of our web page. We're gonna try to customize this. We're gonna try to customize this right here. So this is what we call the head of our web page. So I go back to VS Code, I open up a tag that is called a head. I save. This head tag, it is a tag to tell our HTML that we are talking about this right here. The head tag is the first section of an HTML document and contains information about the web page, such as the title, the meta tag, the icon, the CSS, and the JavaScript files. But don't worry, we will see all those things on the next chapters. The title tag, which is placed within the head section like we've seen, it is used to specify the title of the web page that is displayed in the browser's title bar or tab. So to change the title of our page, all what we have to do is inside our head tag, we open a title tag. And inside this title, we're gonna write, this is the cat website. We save that, go back to our page, we refresh, and you can see right here, this is the cat website. So now, what I want to do is to modify the icon right here. I want to make something customizable. So to do that, I go back to my VS Code and I have to open a new tag that is called link. Don't worry, there are a lot of links. We will see all of this on the next video, but today we will see the link fave icon. It is the link that will make us modify the icon right here. So you press enter, and exactly like for our image, we need a source. So I copy this right here, and I passed it right in the href. Like that. Save the file, go back to our page, I refresh, and you can see right here, this is our cat image. So don't worry about the rest, we'll see this in more details on the next videos. Just please note that for our first videos, we will see much simple things possible. So now let's discuss about the A tag, which is used to create links within a web page. The A tag, also known as the anchor tag, is used to create hyperlinks within a page or a web page. These links can be used to navigate to other pages on your website or to extend a website. The A tag is used in the following format. Right here, let's try this here. A, you press enter. So right here, you got this href. So please note that inside our tags, this href slc, href will, we call this attributes. So right here in our A, let's take for example, go to Google. We save that. We go back to our page. We refresh it. And right here, look what we've got. Go to Google. So if we click on it, we've got just a refresh of our page. So let's see now how, if when we click on go to Google, we really go to Google. So right here, for example, I opened a new tag with a Google web page. So I copy the link, go back to my VS Code, and inside the href attributes, I passed the link to Google. I go back to my web page, I close this one, I refresh the page, and I click on Go to Google. And right here you can see, we've got our Google page. If I come back, I go back to my website. So if I want, for example, navigate inside my site, not in an external link like this, but for example, to an about page that I have created. So right here, I create an about.html. Press enter. So like we've seen before, I open the head tag and the body tag. In my head I got a title to start, so I got about, and in my body, let's try something like this. This is the about page. I save my folder, go back to my page, and inside my A tag, what I have to do is to write the about.html page. So right here, about, you can see that VS Code can propose it, about.html. I press enter. Don't forget to save the file. You go back to our web page, you refresh, click on go to Google, and you've got this. So to make this have sense, I click go to about. I save, go back to my site, I refresh, and right here, go to about. So you can see. So to make this having sense, I can do this right here. Inside the li tag, what I can do is to open an A tag, like that. And inside the A tag, I put my about.html, and inside the A tag, I do this, about. I go back to my website, refresh. Look, the about now is clickable button. I click on it, and I go to the about page. So till now, we've seen too much things in the HTML language. There are a lot of other things that we're gonna see on the next videos. But right now, you can start to create something that can look like a website. Without the styling, of course, just with HTML to train. Thanks for watching.